Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa gara subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe tarugira inya buritswa ne Zim live ya Buda historia chete Ellen developer Bruce Chiyangwa Mwana WaPhilllip and ZANU-PF politician WaPhilllip Chiyangwa arupiwa MuHarare Yekuba a wetland iyo yainziri kumeasure over 2 hectares kumeboring muri Zimbabwe. Zvinonzi Bruce Chiyangwa akaclaima an ownership of this property without proper documentation. My residents ekumeboring raise concerns avo over Chiyangwa's recent land development activities zvichinzi akadestroya macrops evanhu achitaura achiti land iyoyo yaiva yake. Mushure mekuti maresidents achema Mwana WaChiyangwa ari kunzi akaenda akanopresenta mafotocopy emadocuments kuMeboring District Council Office achisupporta claim yake on the wetland, but anzi akafeila kuprovida maoriginal documents sezvanga adedzwa sezvanga ataurirwa muri Zimbabwe. Harare West Trust Programs Officer Celestino Chari vakakondema Chiyangwa vachitaura ivo vachiti akatora space iyi without proper documentations muri Zimbabwe. Zvikunzi vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the whole area is a big wetland and it is a big breeding space for the community at large. It is unfortunate that the developer disregards all council and environmental laws and takes it upon himself to deprive several households' rights for personal gain. Clearly, the law is clear that the residents and all relevant authorities should be consulted on both a development permit and an environmental impact assessment, but from reliable sources. No such documents exist as the development takes place. We urgently urge the Council and all the responsible authorities to stop this madness. COP is coming to Zimbabwe next year in June, and this will be a bad reflection on our commitment to protect wetlands as a nation. Those vakabuda vachitaura zvakare. The combined Harare Residents Association director Ruben Akili vakaexpressa maconcerns avo over invasion yakaitwa neland neMwana WaChiyangwa. Vakacriticize the lack of action by the Environmental Management Agency EMA. Vakataura ivo vachiti EMA yafanira kuita proactive pakuprotecta mawetlands, especially considering kuti Zimbabwe ichahosta a convention on wetlands next year. Saka EMA inofanira kuwanikwa ichita basa rayo muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachiri the issue of invasions and encroachment of wetlands by those developers, some of them illegal, some of them legal, is very worrying. It happens in the full glare of EMA. It happens in the full glare of the upper Manyami Sub-Catchment Council, including the local authority, the seat of Harare itself. We are worried that EMA hasn't been proactive in terms of protecting wetlands of late, and this comes against a background where even Zimbabwe next year will be hosting the convention on wetlands. And again, I hope we will have something to show the visitors that we still have wetlands in Zimbabwe. Otherwise, we have nothing to show that we have wetlands. Those vakabuda vachitaura zvakare spokesperson weEMA vaamukela zidange vakakonfirma kuti EMA iri kuita ma-investigations on ma-allegations yayo kuti Mwana WaChiyangwa akatora wetland sora yachiti iland yake muri Zimbabwe. Vachidange vakabuda vachiti an ecological assessment yearea iyoyo ichaconductwa to determine the sensitivity and provide guidance for the decision making muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziva kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Vakabuda spokesperson veEMA vakataura vachiti the land corresponding to the description given in inquiry was observed to be undergoing clearing by the agency, leading to necessary investigation done to identify source of the activity. The source of the activity was established and necessary engagement was done. A request for an ecological assessment of the area has since been submitted to the agency. The agency is therefore going to carry out an ecological assessment of the area, provided the area is not a gazetted ecological sensitive area, to establish the ecological sensitivity of the area and then give appropriate guidance for the decision making. The agency is, however, urging would-be developers to approach it for guidance on the ecological sensitivity of areas. They intend developing on as an abatement measure against degrading sensitive ecosystems. Those are Buddha Richitauro Nava Sidange Mare Zimbabwe Chiyangwa Mwana Bruce Chiyangwa Anonge responder to these allegations Mare Zimbabwe asikira kwatrukuita arupomera mhosva yekungada kutora nzvimbo iyi zvisiri pamutemo Mare Zimbabwe. Singazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Ndofunga pane nyaya yakambonetsawo zvakare paitika incident Chiyangwa achipopotera nemwana wake mushure mekunge akaba maproperties ababa vake achimaisa muzita rake without the knowledge yababa vake Mare Zimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti is he going to get away with this issue yekumeboraini iyi. Tuje zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Come on, Edmund, why would you do that?
No, Doc. My title is Antakara South Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
When I came back here, then I replaced them. Right? When you got lost. And then when I in Bayangu in the garage. And they gave me a bond panel. And when I number deposit, they registered a 1 million bond on the Bryanston house, which I'm about to pay off.
Edmund, this is my house. Do you understand?
I know.
Right. You also took my money before this. And then you go and put a bond without my knowledge on my property.
But Mr.
I can report this to the police. No, man, I did not authorize you to do this. I did not authorize you to do this. Okay?
I'm still telling you.
No, you stole my money, number one. You stole my money, number one. You have been, every time you come across my money there, it has been in trouble. You actually go and take copies of my title deed, and you take a bond of it. You take my title deeds. I lose control over my property because you are a criminal in nature and origin.
You put me to be...
I don't put you, man. You're an adult. You cannot steal from me and start claiming any defense. You took my money, number one. Which money you were keeping before I bought this property? You understand? And then the next thing is you steal from... You go behind my back and you register a bond. This is why you wanted to put me in a fucking home to steal my things.
Put you in a home.
Yes, you want to take money. Also, you know the same person I was talking to on the airport. Operation. Is that my assets yours?
It's okay. Listen, if you come around this thing, Mr. Chang, and I'm not going to make you think. I mean, you know.
Who actually authorized you? Seriously,